Okay, I want to show you how to watermark an item on a computer. So when you're in the library, you're going to come in and you're going to download whatever item that you want to download. Say I want to download this beautiful photo of Adaptive. And so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to download this item. Now this probably won't show the actual download for you guys just because of my screen sharing, but you're going to come over here to canva.com. Now Canva, if you've never been in here, it's a really easy tool to jump in for any type of branding or marketing. It's pretty user friendly. And since I am going to post this to my social media, I am going to come in here. You can click in here and you can look at what kind of pre-formatted designs they have. I always go into an Instagram post and I just want a blank one. And so with that blank one, I'm going to go ahead and upload my photo. So when you're over here, you're gonna see uploads right here. You're gonna click on that and you're gonna upload your graphics or your photos into there. So it'll be in your most recent downloads. So you're gonna choose that. Now, once your photo uploads with Canva, you just drag it, you can drop it, and it'll pre-format it into the square format. And you can go over here into your text folder, and you can add in a text. Now, there's tons of different custom fonts in here. I always just pick the middle one, and it'll pop up a font box on your actual graphic, and you're gonna double click on it. And I'm going to put my own branding, which is just my first and last name, Keely Martinez, and you're going to click out of it and drag it. Now, most logos are gonna end up in the bottom right-hand corner. Sometimes you can go bottom center. You don't necessarily want your logo to overtake the photo, but you do want it to be on the photo, not only to protect your OneDrop subscription and to protect the contributor with their asset that you're utilizing, but also if somebody comes across your social media and they see a post that they love, a lot of people will screenshot things. So you want them to remember where to come back to when it comes to where did they find that specific photo. So you can click out of it. Now in Canva, you can always change how big or small your logo is. You can also click into this, and I just double click on it to highlight it. And up here, you can see that these are all your different fonts. So there's a ton of different fonts that Canva offers for free. Anything that has this little crown next to it is part of the Canva Pro option, which is a monthly subscription option as well. So it just depends on how much you're utilizing the actual subscription itself to warrant paying for a pro version. But I didn't use a pro version for probably 3 or 4 years while I was building my brand. So don't feel the need to do that, because again, you have a ton of different options when it comes to this. Now, you might need to do some resizing depending on the font that you choose. And you can also come in here, and so I changed it to a little bit of a thinner font so it's not as aggressive. You can also come in here and you can change the coloration. So sometimes I'll switch it to more of a gray tone, again, so it's just not as aggressive as a black watermark. And if you do have a specific watermark, you can actually upload, again, same way you uploaded this photo, you can upload a PNG of your actual logo, and you can drag and drop that onto any photo or graphic. But again, you just want to make sure you have your branding on there. Now you can batch this. Say you download your content for the week from OneDrop, you can always add a new page, and in here you can just delete out your photo. You can go into your uploads, you can drag and drop your next one, do your text for your logo, and then when you come to download your content, you're just going to download it from here, and it'll ask you if you want to download all pages, and you can download all the pages. You can download one page at a time. I always download it as a PNG as it suggests. JPEGs are really, really small. PDFs won't share as a graphic or an image to social media, so just be aware of that. But that's how you're going to come in and water drop. That's a really basic tutorial, or not watermark. That's how you'll come in and watermark your content and re-download it. And again, I do know that this is another step, but I I think it's a very minimal step compared to what our contributors are doing to create these incredible graphics and photos for you guys to have easy access to. And if you batch this content, it's really, really simple. So I will record a tutorial of doing this on your phone with a different app, but this is on canva.com. It is iMac and PC compatible, and hopefully gives you a really easy way to start to watermark.